Show Vlog. This is Ayush, and this video is going to be unboxing and how to get a Fire TV stick for free. Watch this video till end. Here we get the Fire TV stick official packing, Tata Sky Binge edition. After opening the top lid, we see a black color container. It is filled with stuffs inside it. Opening the box, we have a whole bunch of kit. Here we get the user manual or the installation guide for the Fire TV stick. Here we get an Amazon Fire TV stick remote, Alexa powered. Here we have two AAA Amazon basic powered battery. We have a power adapter. We have the Amazon Fire TV stick itself. Here we have an HDMI extender. Here we have the Amazon Fire TV stick. The main thing you required for this is you need an HDMI cable in your TV and a solid Wi-Fi connection to stream TV shows and movies. Here you get Netflix, HBO, Sony, and etc. It also supports YouTube. It has YouTube TV and it has a universal remote light. That means you can connect it to any of your TV without pairing it with the actual remote. Here is the HDMI extender. Here are Amazon basic branded batteries. To insert it in the remote to start it up. The major announcement is that how to get this Fire TV stick for free. Now, if you are a Tata Sky user and you have old subscriptions, then you must receive a GUI on your app which will show you Tata Sky Binge a week for free. There you can apply for the Tata Sky Binge for free. In some days you will receive your Tata Sky Binge or the Fire TV stick at your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share.